guys, hey, how you doing? I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on Creme and Nature black edge control. Yes, it's jet black. I'm just gonna be applying it on my edge line, just rubbing it down, not really in any fancy way, just putting it on my head. I'm gonna do that on both sides. And by the way, this video is not planned. I was just playing around in this video. Look at my face. Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. But yes, I'm applying it on the other side now. And it's kind of hard, so you gotta really rub it into your head. And now have a comb and a toothbrush. Which one will I use? Toothbrush. Yeah, okay. So I begin to brush down my edges, and as you can see, it's a bit stiff and hard to deal with. That's why my face looks like that. Yeah. Okay, well, that's not working. All right, 1 second. Water. My best friend. All right, now we're gonna slick them down. Ooh, you see that? Do you see the difference? Yes. All right, got to do a little curl at the end. Yes, girl. Okay, now we're gonna spray that water on the other side because we learned, and we're gonna brush that. We're gonna brush that side down too. And just swooping. For some reason, my left side is harder than my right side when it comes to doing edges. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this side for a little while. Ooh, I got it. Yes. Now, still gotta clean it up. Much better. And yeah. Ooh, look at the baddie. Yeah. Do you see them edges now? Like, this filter really zooms in. That's why I used it. But yeah, do you see those edges? Work it.